Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed quickly, usually in under 5 minutes, and will restore full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started by preparing our tools. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the emergency key blade. Once the blade is out, you will see a small slot where the blade was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing up. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until they snap securely shut. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, indicating it's locked in place. Test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and more. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.